Welcome to Amanda Resort. My name is Harrison Dixon and Angel, F&B supervisor at Amanda Resort. At Amanda Resort, we offer services like accommodation, food and beverage, and conference package halls. We also have transport. We can transport our customer, and we can also pick our customer from the airport or from the within town CBD to the hotels. Amanda Resort is located at Officer Road, Mumias, during the Joyland Market, the way to Rosterman. It is a cool place where you can have your drinks in a good way, relax. Na Amanda Resort tunapeana huduma kama ya vyumba vya kulala, tunapeana vyumba vya kufanyia mikutano au mikusanyiko vyovyote vile, na pia bado kuna restaurant, mahali pa kukulia. Karibishwa Amanda Resort.